What is going on, guys? So today I'm making just a quick little update video. I'm here in my room, kind of like my battle station over there where I edit. By the way, I got this new little $20 light and I'm using like the box that it came with, and I put it over it because it was too overwhelming. Like, this is it without the box. Let's see. Oh, okay. Wow. And then I put the box back on it and boom, good lighting. I'm making this video to explain what's gonna be happening over the next 5 to 7 days, something like that. So one of my side jobs I do is I do videography and some photography for people in the Houston area, and a job presented itself to me about a month ago at Auto Styling. I made a couple videos there. Here's my most recent video that I made there, is whenever I unveiled my S2000 fender vents. It's a gorgeous facility. It's used for some parties, doing wraps, powder coating, and detailing, and that's what I was filming whenever I was making a bunch of different videos there. We were focusing primarily on the detailing aspect by William. He was the detailer there. So I made about 5 or 7 different videos for William and for Auto Styling, and I asked if I could post them up on this channel, and they were like, yes, of course, the more publicity the better. So that's what you're gonna kind of see going on this week, this next 5 to 7 days. I'm gonna be uploading a video a day at 8 a.m. and yeah, they're just pretty edits. I was happy with the way the footage turned out, and I really wanted to show y'all what else I do out. I was really happy with how they turned out, and I just really wanted to show y'all what else I do outside of just making car vlogs and everything. I'm by no means like a professional videographer. There's still a lot I have to learn. I'm just scratching the surface right now in color grading, filming and S-Log and all that. I've been trying to teach myself on it. But with that being said, I was happy with how the videos turned out, and I just wanted to share that with you. So that's what you're gonna see over the next 5 to 7 days, something like that. And yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed them. Let me know y'all think in those comments down below. And yeah, see you tomorrow at 8 a.m.